Hey guys, Tom Cook here from Ducky's Boats. We're here on a brand new SeaArk 20-foot shadow jet tunnel with a side console, 80 Yamaha jet. We're going to take it out on the water real quick, see what she does. Following up, I will show you some pictures, give you a quick run through the boat. If you have any questions, looking for the best deal on your new SeaArk boat, give us a call at 717-944-4232. We have the world's largest selection of SeaArk boats, prop models, V-hulls, jet tunnels, tiller handles, split bench duck hunting boats, a little bit of everything. We have right about 50 units available to be seen on our lot right now. This is March 2024, and our website is www.duckysboats.com. All right, so here we go for the hole shot test. So here we are for the old performance test, the 2072 SeaArk jet tunnel with the 80 jet versus the tracker. Now this has a larger motor, whoops. This does have a 105, 150 powerhead Mercury 4-stroke. And let's see what they do. Okay guys, so here is the 2024 SeaArk 2072 Shadow with the jet tunnel. This does have a lot of the similar features as the previous SeaArks did. The fit and finish of the boat is extremely nice. As you can see, this guy here has the Line-X interior, it has the bow storage, anchor locker, pedestal seat base on the bow of the boat, along with cleats, the accessory track and the cap rail. You got your navigation lights, have your trolling motor plug, heavy duty 6-gauge wiring with a 50 amp circuit breaker, trim switch for the engine. Inside here you have a very nice quality aluminum fuel cell in the front of the boat, along with your anchor and nav lights. Excuse my Coast Guard kit. Inside the console here you do have a 13-gallon live well. Which is aerated. Comes with the windshield, the SeaArk graphic. You got your Yamaha controls, your fuel gauge, tachometer, your switch panel along with the circuit breaker, a USB charging port. You have storage in the stern of the boat as well as a seat pedestal. Have the rear hatch, the heavy duty knee braces, stainless steel drain plugs, along with the Yamaha 4-stroke 115/80 jet. Nice shiny new SeaArk graphics for 2024. For the best deal on your new SeaArk, call Ducky's Boats, 717-944-4232, www.duckiesboats.com. Hey guys, but for the final conclusion here, this boat ran about 2 mph faster than the tracker. Smaller motor, power head rating was 150 on the tracker and 115 on this particular unit. Just has great performance, quiet, smooth ride. You can tell it's very structurally sound. There's no fluttering of the floor or anything of that nature. It is solid as a rock. Just what you're looking for when you go for a new SeaArk boat. Quick to plane. With just me in the boat, it did GPS at 35 mph, just holding it open for a quick little burst there. And for the best deal on your new boat, give me a call, 717-944-4232, www.duckiesboats.com.